Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing good. Today I'm going to tell you how to replace the screen for Samsung Galaxy Note 8, which I have already bought the OEM screen, which includes the battery, the speaker, the front camera, and everything is original. So as you can see the stuff, the mostly I just need to take the logic board out of this Note 8 to this one, and once I will be done with that, and I think that's all I need to do. That's all I need to do. Okay, so let's start. I already removed the back, which was kind of badly broken, so now I need to open these screws down. The good part in Samsung that all the screws are same. It's not like different type of screws. So I'm almost there. It contains a lot of screws. Now it won't move at all. So once all the screws are removed, I'm gonna use this flathead screwdriver to first remove the charging port and the wireless charger. Here's the charging port cover. Now time to remove wireless charger. Before that we need to remove the touch ID, which is right here. Now let's take this part out. It's kind of sticky for some reason. Oh, so it was all glue on the sides, that's why it was not opening. So let's remove the battery connector first of all, and now we can start removing the logic board, and we are going to put logic board into this screen. Here's a 3.5 aux jack earphones, so we can just take this one off as well. We don't have to like put everything over there, just the logic board and the charging port, and hopefully it will start working after. Take this part off. Remove the cameras. The pen connector. Most importantly, the charging jack screws. This flathead screwdriver is always useful for these kind of stuff. Anywhere, removing the connector, it will help you a lot. So if you have one, keep one in handy for any type of repair. Removing the connectors. I forgot to take out the SIM card, which is also very important. So now, in my rule, when you need something, you gotta find that thing. Maybe for everyone, but especially for me. So it was right here. I just used it to put the SIM card in. Alrighty, looks like it's not gonna be fine. Let's try this thing. Oh, it worked, so that helped. Thank you. I don't have the SIM card tray in this one, but I will find one. No worries. Okay, so we are removing the logic board and charging port. I'm not gonna take these wires off, as I know that I'm gonna take it in one piece and put it in one piece as well. So something looks like fishy. Here you go. So this was the black tiny screw here, which I didn't know, which I didn't see to take it off. So now it's off. It will be easy to take it off now. So only one piece. I took it off from here. Now I'm gonna put it in here very carefully. All the jacks needs to go into their places, especially the battery one. connector is gonna come here. Here you go. One last thing, charging port. It needs a little push from, like you need to turn it. Using that flex power, push it in, and there you go. So feels like I'm pushing here all the way. There you go. So everything looks good. Now, actually something is missing here. Let's take it out from this way, from this part. As I mentioned, you need to make sure all the connectors are out of the way. Hopefully, looks like I'm good now. Okay, let's connect these connectors. These are the LCD connectors. These needs to go in really carefully, I would say. Put the cameras back in, like both the front cameras. I did not take off the speakers, like this speaker, the front earpiece, and this speaker, because they were already here and they are original, so I don't have to take them off. Let's connect this connector, connect the S Pen connector, and not battery connector, not yet. So let's put this tiny black screw back in here. Come on, this tweezer is gonna help me doing this. There you go. So let's put it back here. There's one more camera I need to put back in here, which will go like this, slide in. 2 screws for the charging port connector. It will go here like this. So the second one here. Now I need to put this back, the 3.5 aux jack, and here we have its screw. This needs to go here. So according to the charging port, it will come here, which I'm not gonna put it right here. I'm just trying to see if I am missing any screw, which looks like gonna come over here. So you can always figure out by putting the charging port cover on. It looks like, yeah. So in this place you don't see that any screw is gonna go here, so that's the one you have to put back in here. So at this point I'm gonna plug in the battery. Sometime it does require the wireless charging pad, otherwise it's gonna show you the yellow icon on the screen. But let's see if it will show us that yellow icon on the screen. But oh, there you go. So I can see the charging. The phone is charging right now. I think, yeah, there's no battery power. There's a slight scratch over here. See, you can see this yellow icon now, and it's keep on like vibrating. So get rid of this icon. We need to put the wireless charging pad back. Then we will try and put the charging cord back in. Let's put it back. So make sure all the locks are in this needs to slide in. I'm not gonna put all the screws back until I'm sure that error is gone now. So I will just put some of them back. Like this one will hold us. So as we have points connecting around this portion, we will put one screwdriver here like this. And I think this should be good. And just to show you guys the reason of that error, so now when I put the charging in, you can see that it started charging and there is no yellow sign. Instead of that yellow sign, it's showing you the power battery percentage right away. So I think I'm good for now. Let's put all the screws back and the charging cover and the speaker back, and we will be all set after that. Alright, let's put them into place first, and then I will start screwing back. There you go. Unfortunately, I don't have my proper setup right now. Just moving out to the new location, and everything gotta go, you know. I was just about to do this. I thought let's just make a video. So for this one, we might need to take this screw off. So this will actually make it place. We will be able to lift it up like this, and we can put it right here where we really need it. And now we can screw this back. I mean, tight it, screw this, not like screw it like screw it up, no. Push all the way in, so it's not gonna leave anything behind. So always make sure that you put all the screws back, which is good. I don't like missing screws. I just moved to the speaker like magnetic. So there you go, bro. Don't bother me. Don't mess with me. So I'm gonna hold it now. There you go. Alright, so let's do its part. Put all the screws back. And they do have S pen for this. I'm gonna put that S pen. I do have the black door because I changed it to silver, and I have to put the black door back. People call it back glass, back door. If you search online on Amazon, it's also titled as black door as well. So I hope if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. A lot of people who they are watching my videos, they are not my subscribers, so please go ahead, subscribe my channel, and I really appreciate your support on that. Okay, few more to go, actually a lot more to go. Yeah, my screwdrivers are messed up now. They are not even picking up all the screws as magnetic to help me put the screws back. So let's just put them back first, and then I will tighten them up. One last. Alrighty, let's tie them up. Alright, all the screws are back in. Now we need to put the back glass and also the Touch ID. So looks like Touch ID already have a black back door, which I can just take it off. I will put the original one, which also have the Touch ID included. So let's just put this one. Okay, come on. There you go. So looks like it's in. Yeah, now it's in. So let's just take the, okay, now this is the very tricky part now. Or we can do one more thing. We can do one thing, which is take this off from here. This will help you a lot, because otherwise if you will try put this along with the back door, that will be a big time mess. So let's just put this back here. I'm gonna push this right here, right in. Now it will be easy to put it on. So let's just go ahead, take these off, and looks like I still have something to take off. There you go, from here. Okay, so looks like all good. We need to put it on, and back door is on. We don't see Samsung logo. We do see Samsung logo. That's pretty good. All right, so there's few things we can add here. At this point, let's check the charging again and try and turn it on. Okay, I can see the charging sign. That's good. Okay, the battery is 1%. Let's power it on. I do have these clamps, so if I put the phone in the clamps, it will help holding the back door for at least 30 minutes. I'm sorry, 30 minutes are good enough, so it won't, you know, just be off. So I'm turning this one on. Let's try. There's no screen burn, which is a good part, and screen is OEM original. So let's try this code. This code doesn't work on this Verizon phones, by the way, so you can check the other way, like turning on the camera. I can see the camera is working. I can see front camera is working. Oh, this is the back camera, sorry. Now this is a front camera, and now this is the back camera. So both cameras are working, which is good. And the screen is very responsive. And that's all for, for replacing the Note 8 screen, and pretty much Note 9 screen. You guys can do the same way. Both mechanisms are same, even though if you open the Note 10, you can do it the same way, of course, with the Note 10 screen. But yeah, so I hope you like this video. Please go ahead and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever I post a new video. If you guys have any question, go ahead, leave a comment down below, and best of luck, and see you next time. Bye.